Отлично, слышно гораздо лучше, хорошо. Отлично. All right, so good evening again, everybody. It's me, Natalia Turan, an official speaker of United Financial Group. I'm here tonight with you, and tonight I will tell you all the good things because there are many good things happening. And I will tell you about UFG. What is UFG? You will learn tonight, and how to ensure your health and create a secure financial future with our company, with United Financial Group. There will be some news, and of course, I will be happy to answer all your questions. You may ask them in YouTube in the dialogue zone, or you can ask them here in the question area. So let's begin. Let me just check who is here with us tonight. So, all right, all the good people are with us. So, United Financial Group, it's an investment company which based on its own crowd investing platform, and we gather investments from not only individuals but also from participating companies. So we have really global goals, and we have started our activities in 2019, and ever since, not even 2 years passed, but we have trust of more than 2,000 investors in more than 60 countries all over the world. And with the power, with that power that we have gathered all together, we have produced our own product. We have done our own research to produce our own products. This is number two. And we have invested in really good things. So investing with us, you are creating your bright financial future. What is our mission? So for you to see the difference, we are not just a pyramid scheme or a hype or whatever. We are producing, and you can see it in our roadmap. And we of course have a mission, and mission is not just to get rich, because that's not a mission. You cannot earn money just for money. It must be some purpose for that. So of course, yes, we are creating balanced investment portfolio for each of our investors. But also the main things that come just right now, we develop a new safe drugs for oncology treatment, and also production and sell marketing. We do sell immune modulating drugs, and we launch them. And also we mission is to market launch of innovating developments, the one that needs some investments. And of course it's easy to go and to be sold to some company, but to be acquisition it's called, I guess. But we have chosen a bit different way. This is why we can provide new ecological clean drugs without side effects to the world. This is what we do. We are financing IT products and direction as well, because this is a very promising financial area, and for investors is very interesting. Also, we develop a business line, a very promising business line with a turnover more than $200 billion per year. I just love this number, and I'm very glad that you are here with us, investing and creating your bright financial future. So just now at the screen, you may see the growth of investment interest in IT sector on the right, and growth of investment interest in pharmacology and medicine. And you can see that from 2018, IT sector, well, it has been growing, yes, of course, but it has a stable growth ever since 20 years. It has a very stable growth, and IT technologies is the future of our life being. And regarding the pharmacology and medicine, you can see that the interest is really almost vertical, because many people realize that this is very profitable to invest in sorry, very promising to invest in pharmacology and medicine sector. Just a second. All right. So let's continue. So what else? What is our benefits? What benefits is giving you our decision to do investments within this field? So, along with informational technology, as I have said, the pharmaceutical industry is one of the most attractive investment targets. Just look at these numbers. The companies have been sold for $39 million in December 2000, for $13 million, for $21 million, $6.5 million, and so on, so on. So this is really evidenced by the growth rates of mergers and acquisitions, and of IPO. We all know what's IPO. So for large companies, this is a really nice opportunity to master a new segment for themselves, and also enter a new regional market, replenish their product portfolio, and of course reduce the level of competition. This is why we see all those beautiful numbers. And for startups like us, this is first of all an effective mechanism for attracting financial resources to accelerate the progress of commercializing our developments, their developments. So this is why we have chosen this sector. What are their benefits? So the Institute for Human Data Science estimates that global cancer treatment spending, including supportive care, reached nearly $150 billion in 2019. And this is increase almost 13%. And over the next 5 years, the therapy costs will be rising up to 14% and will reach 230 billion. And cancer spending will reach by 2023 $240 billion. So this is really a promising area that we are investing. You can see now on the scale that how it's growing. You can see the interest in oncology treatment because of all the situation in the world. We know that after the baby boom in 90s, we now have many people who need work, who need food, and in 2050, every sixth person in the world will be above age 65. So we will have aged population on the earth, and of course they will need lots of medicine. Of course they need a good food. Of course they need place where to rest, where to live. But if you don't have health, you don't care about the rest, right? So this is why we're here. We are producing a really good things to the world. And we, as you can see now on the diagram, that 11% of all the structure in pharmaceutical market in therapeutic area, the largest is for oncology treatment. And if we here can succeed, and we are succeeding, this will be benefits for all of our investors. So this is what we do. What else? What else? So cancer drug sales are the most profitable pharmaceuticals companies in 2019, according to S&P Global Market Intelligence. So Humira is a leader in global sales of $19 billion. And imagine if you're investing in startup, which in few years have this great sales, and you are investor of it. Even if we have 1% of a market, it's really great numbers here. So Keytruda has done sales for $11.08 billion. Avastin, we all know Avastin is worth $7.12 billion. So who else investing in biotechnology? Not just the companies who are in medicine, but also Bill Gates has invested in Vir Biotechnology $14.8 million. Jeff Bezos has invested $76 million in biotech startup, and Warren Buffett has invested in Biogen $192.4 million, nearly $200 million he has invested. So this is why we are just following their steps, and this is really promising. This is really huge. And what we are doing now, what we research now as a company, is gonna be big. It's going to be a real breakthrough. Our activities are now is investment in the development of new safe generation drugs. Again, I want to mention the safety because, as you know, many medicine that we now buy in pharmacy has really bad side effects, and the list of side effects is really huge. So you may think twice whether you will take it or not. And also, now we invest in IT products and innovative developments as like green energy. I love green energy because it's safe, it's ecological, and of course, the future generation will be thankful to us for this choice. And of course, we do develop our own products. So what are our results? Except that in less than 2 years, we have investors in 60 countries all over the world. We have started our own production of immune modulating drug. Just let me show it to you. I have it here. I have bought it also on the market, and I have actually 3 of them. 1, 2, 3 of them. One is with the spray, you can see. So I take it. This is a course of the medicine, and when you buy a course, then you, of course, don't pay 3 times for the delivery, which is also very good. So we are launching the marketing in Europe of this product. This is really good product. I'll tell you in a while about it. So we have opened our stores, online stores for partners, ufgshop.ru and ufgmarket.com. We have cooperation with Sklifosovsky Institute in the Moscow State University laboratories, where we have doing our research. We have partnership with Elo Blockchain One. This is IT technology. This is our IT sector. We have financed Vortex Acceleratory Technologies LLC, and this is about the green energies. When you have little, well, not so big, let's say, not so big a box where you can make your energy from with vortex technology. This is amazing, and this is safer than wind energy because, of course, because of the wind energy, there is not earthquakes. There is a shake of earth, of course, and it's not good for birds. But this way, you can, of course, after launching all this product, we will be able to light up little city with this electricity, with this electric station. This is amazing. So also the great thing that we did is we funding our research and launching of production of our own drug for treatment and oncology. This is a real breakthrough, guys, here. So the one I just showed you, and you see it on the picture, this beautiful thing here. So the history of this balm creation can be considered from the development in back in 1950s by Stefan Chernyshov of a highly active negatively charged alcohol, and which he made with the help of special additives. And due to special treatment, this alcohol received unusual and previously unknown properties and help to cure many diseases, receiving the name cleanser of body vessels uh, and the body. So it's really clean your blood. And back in 2012, balm based on this developments was finalized by a group of scientists, and this drug is launches the immune system on a wide front. And now with this coronavirus situation, this is very important because some people get sick, some people don't, and this is of course because of a strong immune system or weak immune system. And this beautiful balm can help you to strengthen your immune system because it's like a guard, and it's launched the whole immune system on the really wide front. So, and United Financial Group has financed the production of this balm in July 2020, and we have released its first batch under the name Rusich. And since that time, many people have been able to restore their health and with this help of this balm. So we have really many great feedbacks. You can find them on our YouTube channel and see for yourself. So inside, except of this alcohol, you can find 14 unique herbs and plants that we gather here in the Caucasus Mountain. And this is really good. I'm using it for 1 week. Let me tell you, come on. I'm using it for 1 week. I said no to coffee. Me, as a coffee man, I'm like, I couldn't live without coffee. I couldn't open my eyes without coffee. Now I haven't drunk coffee for 3 days. I feel normal. I feel happy. I sleep very well. I wake up early with no problem at all. And this is just the beginning. And I feel myself that I'm full of power, full of energy. I'm like, I don't know, I'm like rebuilding or something. So this is really good feeling. And by the way, um, usually when the weather is not so good, when it's cloudy, I had a little bit of a headache, the blood pressure and so pressure on the um, how you call it on my head. So now I don't have it, and it's only 1 week. Can you imagine? This is really amazing. You can purchase it, and all of our investors are receiving the dividends from the sale of this product as well. Mind you this. Next, what we have is Latkevich lavage. So lavage is a universal method of cleansing the body and restoring the health. And this is the only method of cleansing the body from inside approved by Sklifosovsky Institute. And its effectiveness and safety have been scientifically studied and tested over several years in leading medical institutions. And it's patented and officially approved to use by Federal Service of Surveillance in Healthcare and Social Development of Russia Federation. And it's awarded in Moscow Mayor's Office Prize. And and so on, so on, so on. So what does it do? Let me tell you, it cleans your body from inside and make your intestines clean. And we all know that immune system is in intestines, and this is why it's all connected together. This is what also we can advise you to purchase and use for your health. And of course, we have this Astramelanin program. This is really amazing story, which has started back in 1960s with a Soviet scientist, biochemist. Her name is Svetlana, and she has begun her work on the black yeast that was found in Arctic soil in expedition in 1957, and now we are preparing the launch of the production of astramelanin, which is main direction of the treatment of is the treatment of oncology. This is really great, and in addition, this drug has been recommended in the treatment of many other diseases, which confirmed by medical research in Moscow hospitals, as well as by doctors in USA, South Korea, and Japan. And astramelanin has received recognition from world's renowned scientists and international awards like in Geneva and many, many others. And unfortunately, due to bad times, maybe last century, it hasn't seen the light of world, but now we, in February 2021, UFG United Financial Group has funded the launch of production and clinical trials of astramelanin. The best part, guys, the best part is that there are no contradictions. There are no contradictions or any side effects of astramelanin. It has been never identified. So nobody found any side effects, and this is a real breakthrough because, as you know, that oncology is treated by chemotherapy, and it's really bad. It has really bad effects on the body. So we have found something that doesn't destroy body, destroying the cancer cell. So what does it do is just rebuild it as it was planned by nature. So what's your benefit? Let's talk about your benefit, because about astramelanin I can say I can talk for hours. But let's talk about your benefits. Of course, all of you understand already that with investing with us, you invest in the most promises business area with a turnover of more than $200 billion a year. So even if we have 1% of this market, imagine the numbers. And then you also have an opportunity as an investor and partner of United Financial Group. You have opportunity to have access to all preparations and companies developments at the lowest prices as our partner. Then we pay dividends to all our investors uh, every 6 months from company after company calculates the profit, and we are now waiting for the second turn of dividends. And also you have ability to transfer your shares in company by inheritance. This is really very important, and you just need to verify your back office loads documents so we know that you is you. And also you can participate in the creation of an important area in the safe therapy and treatment of many diseases. For many people who are with us now, it's really important because the drugs that we have now here, they are not that revolutionary, and unfortunately they are not that effective. So also profit from all developments and investment tools of the company. You can also get that profit as our partner and investor. So let's pause here a bit and let me ask you. So let's talk about your healthy and wealthy future. What is your plan for life? What you would like to do? What are you doing now and where you're going? And the better question is, how long will it take to make all your dreams come true? This is important because nobody knows what's going to happen tomorrow. I'm not frightening or anything, but of course, if you have a good health, you can do everything. If you have money but no health, money, it's nothing done for you. Because when people are sick, they cannot take care of the children, of the people they love. They are when come on, they cannot even take care of the cat if they're sick. So if you have health, you can have money and the whole world. And we are offering you. to have both benefits, bonuses, health-wise and pocket-wise as well. So let me tell you how does it work. With us, you can be just just a buyer, just an average buyer, and purchase our products or in the market. Then you get bonuses, gifts, discounts, and of course, it's also some profit because, as you know, that the money that you made from bonuses is earned money. So the other thing is that you can become UFG partner, and then you get also discounts and profit margins. This is very important. So you have the difference between prices if you distribute our product. Then you can become UFG investor and get dividends from all UFG's activities, as I mentioned, twice a year. And the fourth opportunity, you can become UFG crypto investor and get monthly profit from cryptocurrency trading. This way, you don't have to know anything about cryptocurrencies. You just invest with us. If you have question about this, please ask your questions. Of course, you can be all four of that, all four of that. But let me tell you what else you can do. As an investor, please check this our description of shares. So this is how the shares of UFG are being distributed. The total number of shares is 2,400,000,000,000. 600 million shares is for financing, is for our investors. And 200 million shares is shares of UFG company. Just a second. UFG company. So 90 million shares is bonuses for gold and platinum members distribution. And the bonus part is 15 million shares and almost 1.5 billion shares is a reserve part. And profit on company shares is used for development of the company. We don't touch your profits. We don't touch your shares. Dividends are accrued to all shares except the reserve part. And the company has no right to use investors' dividends for its activities because we also have dividends on our shares as well. And shares from the reserve part will be used only if additional funding is required. So this is how it goes. And here is our calendar of stages, investment stages. The total number is 12 and we're on the stage 8. And as you see from the price of the share, it's rising. With each step we do, with each stage we do, it's rising. So if you enter the company now, you will be in better profits than if you enter at the last stage and if you are still not convinced. So if you are investing with us and share the opportunity, there's the other thing that I would like to tell you. So how to join us? How to join us and become investors? Company have made really flexible methods of payments, and each investment package you can buy with installments. There are up to 20 installments. So you can buy a pack for $500 and pay each month $25, 20 months, and the share number will be for 40,000. And this way you get even bonus shares to your pack. It will be 13,000 of bonuses. If you buy all at once, you get 19,000 bonus shares, and so on and so on. So there are packages, as I said, that you can find the very comfortable for you, the one that's convenient for you. So it could be, for instance, the pack $750. You pay $37.5 per month, you get 60,000 shares, and bonus part will be 22,000. But if you buy all in once, you will get plus 50% of your pack. It will be 30,000 bonuses shares. If you purchase $1,000 pack and you receive 80,000 shares, and if you do it at once, you will get plus 50%. So see the number 42,000. It's like you have purchased 1,000 pack and get $500 pack free. That's what we do. This is what the company do and does. This is what the company does. Yes. So and so on, so on. You can buy $1,500 pack, $2,000 pack, 3, 5, 7, 10, 20, and $50,000 pack, and depending on the way you would like to pay, it will be all in your bonuses. So there is a number of shares that's in your pack, and while you're paying it, there will be bonuses. All right, this is clear, I guess. And the minimum one-time share purchase is 40,000 packs. So if, for instance, you have bought a pack, you don't want to buy a pack, so you buy additional 40,000. So also, the best part what I would like to offer you is a residual income with our company. The thing is that not every person, not everybody can just sit and wait every 6 months and waiting for dividends or investing in crypto account and waiting for every month payment. If you are interested in working with us, you can get residual income from the partner network. And this is how it works. And you get from 10% of commissions of each direct sale. So if you invite a friend and he made a purchase of 1,000 pack, you get automatically $100 in your pocket, in your bank account. You can withdraw it. It's all yours. We are not keeping anything for every month activity or anything like this. It's all yours. It's all your money. Of course, you can invest it, or you can reinvest it as well, and buy the shares as well. So if you have invested yourself $150 and more, you become an investor, and then you have you can have your commission up to 4 level. It's 10 on the first, 3, 2, 1 on second, third, and fourth accordingly. And then if you have invested from $750, then you become a partner, and of course, here you have more commissions. Then on your first level, you get 15% of commission, and so on, so on. And you see, let me show you this. Let me show you this. If slowly with our company, you're moving with our company, you're investing, you're enlarging your investment portfolio, and you become a gold member with the total number of investment of $5,000, you get commissions 17% on your first line, and up to 10%, up to 10 line down, you have your commission as well. And if you become a platinum member, you get 18% of commission on your first direct sales and of first level, and commissions will be paid up to 20 first line. This is amazing. This is how you can enlarge your portfolio. This is how you can earn money here, just simply telling about the company and about all those good things that we do. And we do really good things here, because this immune balm that we have here, I will show you to you again. with it, we have cases, guys. We really have cases that our colleagues that were sick with this coronavirus, their temperature didn't rise for up to 40 degrees, right? It was less than 38, and they were not sick for 2 months, and they didn't have that bad effects while they were sick with coronavirus. So this is what we do, and many other people with different diseases that using this balm, they feel better. Since almost 1 year, we have many happy people who have used this balm. So if you care about yourself, if you care about your loved ones, you can try it. Just try it. It doesn't cost much. So, and what else? This astromelanin program that we have, that we are researching, we are finding the better quality of melanin in this black yeast pigment, so we can really heal many people from cancer. And for many people, this is really important. And I mean, I can tell you, no, I will not tell you this. This is private. This is too private. So anyhow, this way or another, no matter what you choose, to become our partner or just simply close the laptop and go, it doesn't matter. So we welcome you to UFG, to United Financial Group, and we invite you to start building your healthy and wealthy future with UFG today. And just simply contact the person to join us. Simply contact the person who have shared the link with you, so he will provide you the referral link and help you to get registered. And now I'm available for your questions. You can write them in the chat. There were some people from Ghana. Okay, just let me close this one. All right. So, your questions. No questions? All right. Okay, so if there are no questions, then I wish you a great, great weekend, and I wish you health and wealth to all your family. Oh, let me see, somebody get here. Do you have any questions? I see Joseph here. Do you have any questions? Well, I understand. I mean, we have very informative chat. We have very informative chat in Telegram, in our group, in contact. So I think you may ask everything here. Well, okay. Have fun and take care. Have great weekend. And let me, bye.